welcome to Codebeamer Decoded. My name is Norbert Schimann, and I am an ALM Senior Solution Consultant at PTC. This is the first episode of a mini-series around best practices for the automotive and medtech industries, but we thought that a general overview of the system could be beneficial for everyone. So think of this video as an industry-agnostic, high-level showcase of Codebeamer. First of all, what is Codebeamer? Codebeamer is a new generation application lifecycle management solution for simplifying complex product and software engineering at scale. The open platform extends ALM functionalities with product line configuration capabilities and provides unique configurability for complex processes. Requirements management lets you capture, track, and manage all application requirements to ensure alignment with project goals and compliance throughout the development lifecycle. Risk management is about identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks early in the development process to prevent costly issues and ensure project success. Validation verification stands for ensuring that applications meet specifications and function correctly through systematic validation and testing at each stage of the lifecycle. Streamline software development with tools that enable planning, coding, testing, and collaboration within an integrated environment. Automate CI/CD pipelines, monitor releases, and facilitate continuous integration and delivery to ensure seamless software updates and deployment. Manage multiple product versions and variations efficiently by reusing core components and adapting them to different contexts or configurations. Visualize and analyze key lifecycle data to enhance decision-making, improve predictability, and proactively manage development tasks.